Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making a hammer bead lollipop. To make this, you'll need some colourful hammer beads. We will be using a square pegboard. Firstly, we're going to be making the lollipop. So you're going to put 4 beads across. Take one bead and go diagonally down and place it down. Do the same again. Do the same on the other side. Now, go diagonally one and put a bead. Put 3 more beads below it. Do the same on the other side. We're going to go diagonally one down and do the same again. We're going to do that one more time. We're doing the same on the other side. We're going to put 2 beads in between. This is how the outline of the lollipop looks right now. Now we are going to make the swirl for the lollipop. Get another coloured bead, I'm using yellow, and place it at the bottom. Put 3 more beads next to it. Get another bead and place it diagonally above. Do the same again and put 3 more beads above it. Put another bead diagonally upwards. Put 4 more beads above that. Now get some more beads and put 2 more down. Get another bead and put it diagonally across. And put 3 more beads next to it. Get another bead and put it diagonally upwards. Get another bead and put it above it. Put another bead diagonally above this bead and put 1 next to it. And go down 1 diagonally and put a bead. This is how the swirl looks right now. Now you're going to get the colour you used for your outline and fill in the lollipop. This is how the lollipop looks right now. Now we are going to make the bow for the lollipop. You're going to place another coloured bead with 4 beads across. You're going to do the same right below it. Next, you're going to go diagonally up and put 1 bead and another bead next to it. You're going to do the same again. Now you're going to go diagonally down and put 4 beads. Now you're going to go diagonally down and put a bead and put another bead next to it. Now you're going to go up 1 bead and put another bead next to it. Now you're going to do the same on the other side. You're going to do the same on the other side. This is how the outline of the bow looks now. Now we're going to make the stick for the lollipop. I'm using white beads. We're going to place 2 beads right here and put another 2 more beads down here. We're going to continue this line. This is how the lollipop looks right now. We are now going to fill in the bow. Place a parchment paper on top of your lollipop and iron it with an iron. Make sure to have parental supervision because it can be very hot. Flip your lollipop over and iron this side as well. open the parchment paper and let your lollipop cool. This is how the lollipop turned out. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like and make sure to subscribe.